Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And for that you will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just to short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you are able to draw something inside here, or you can also highlight something if you want. And yeah, pretty nice as well. Here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot. What is very nice if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. And after you can share this edited part, or with the arrow you will send it directly to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Here where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And here the pictures, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you always to go to the albums, because the screenshots here have their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.